Hello everybody, I welcome all of you to my English class. Today we will read Trunk of Ganesh Part 2. Trunk of Ganesh Part 2. The 61-year-old Govinda had a large family to support. This included a son who had a wife and two children. Govinda Maharana, age is 61 years old. He had a eldest son who had a wife and two children. And that eldest son had turned out to be an irresponsible drifter who spent his days away from the house fishing idly for shrimp and crab in the river Mahanadi. The oldest son was very idle. He was doing nothing. A not responsible person. A drifter. Drifter means aimless person, having no aim. He is spending his time with idle. And taking a net, going to the river Mahanadi, catching the fish, shrimp and crab. This is all about his first eldest son. His second son, he had three sons. The second son had been taken as an apprentice in a paper mill. In a paper mill, his second son was working. Apprentice means learner of a craft. Learner of a craft. There remained only the youngest. The youngest name is Ranju. His age is only 13 years old. Out of three, he alone showed the promise of taking up the ancestral profession, thus restoring a measure of calm to his father's mind. Only the younger son Ranju took the interest to help in the ancestral profession. So he showed the interest and made the promise to help his father. 13 years old boy. Ancestral professions. Profession means ancestral means inherited from ancestors. That means Kaulika group. That means Govinda had three sons. The eldest son was doing nothing, spending his life with laziness. Second one was taking an apprentice in a paper mill. And third one showed the interest to help his father in ancestral profession. In all these years, this experience was new one. ଏସବୁ ବର୍ଷ ମାନଙ୍କରେ ଏଭଳି ଅନୁଭୂତି ଯେ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ଭାଙ୍ଗିବା ଏ ଗୋବିନ୍ଦ ପାଇଁ ନୂଆ ଥିଲା. A feeling of being alone in a ravenous darkness. Ravenous darkness means voracious. Voracious. All his thinking brought Govinda. ଏ ସମସ୍ତ ପ୍ରକାର ଭାବନା ଗୋବିନ୍ଦ ଶେଷ ସିଦ୍ଧାନ୍ତରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲା to the inescapable conclusion that there was an element of supernatural in the mysterious making of the image. ଏସବୁ ରହସ୍ୟ ଏସବୁ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ଭାଙ୍ଗିବା ଘଟଣା ରେ କ'ଣ ହେଉଥିଲା ନା ଏଲିମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ସୁପରନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲ କୌଣସି ଅଦ୍ଭୁତ ଅଲୌକିକ ଶକ୍ତିର ହାତ ଅଛି ବା ରହସ୍ୟମୟ ଶକ୍ତିର ହାତ ଅଛି. ବଟ୍ what had he done to deserve this? His life was ordered and restrained. एकथा सत जे तार जीवन शृंखलित और संयत. तेणु क्योंठारे भूल रही पारे. हाँ, यह सत जे माटीर मूर्ति गुड़िकर तैयारी शैली सेगुड़िक नूतन वस्त्र परिधान करारे सेगुड़िक उज्ज्वल रंग लेपन करिबारे एक जटिल विचित्र परिवर्तन घटीला. What his mysterious making of image? His life has ordered and restraint. So where could he have gone wrong? True that. Yes, Sataji. A subtle change had come about in designing of the clay figures. Subtle. Subtle means delicate. এটা কহନ୍ତି ସୂକ୍ଷ୍ମ. এই ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ଗଢ଼ିବାରେ ତାର କେଉଁଠି କିଛି ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ ଆସିଛି. in eye-catching new apparel. Apparel means clothing, poshak. In the shades of luminous paint he was using these days. Luminous means shedding light. But he had not gone about making the changes of his own. They had wanted their gods to be more tuned with times. That means କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ନିଜ ଇଚ୍ଛାରେ ଏହି ମୂର୍ତ୍ତିର ରୂପରେଖ ବଦଳାଇ ନାହିଁ, ବରଂ ସମୟ ସହିତ ତାଳ ଦେଇ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କ ଚାହୁଁଥିବା ମୂର୍ତ୍ତିଗୁଡ଼ିକ କଳେବର ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ଏକ ପ୍ରକାର ବାଧ୍ୟ ହୋଇଥିଲା। Gradually, therefore, he has endowed the goddesses with slim and cover bodies. ତେଣୁ ସମୟକ୍ରମେ ଗୋବିନ୍ଦ ଦେବୀ ପ୍ରତିମା ଗୁଡ଼ିକର ଶରୀରକୁ ପତଳା ଏବଂ ବକ୍ର କରିଦେଇଛି। ସ୍ଲିମ୍ and core bodies. Endowed means give something. But there was nothing flashy about this image of Ganesh he was at work on. Then why should this happen? That means କିନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ ସେ ତିଆରି କରୁଥିବା ଗଣେଶ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତିରେ ସେଭଳି କିଛି ଆକର୍ଷଣୀୟ ଅସ୍ୱାଭାବିକ ନଥିଲା। Then why should this happen now? ତାହେଲେ ଏବେ ଏଭଳି କଥା ଘଟୁଛି କାହିଁକି? Or was it because the price of 250 rupees he had asked for was a large and unreasonable sum for 6 foot high image of Ganesh? He was demanding 250 rupees for large high Ganesh idol, 6 foot high image of Ganesh. ସିଏ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କଠାରୁ ଏ 6 ଫୁଟ ଉଚ୍ଚତାର ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ପାଇଁ 250 ଟଙ୍କା ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ କରୁଥିଲା। ଏହା ଅଯୁକ୍ତିକ ହେଉଥିଲା କି ଅନରିଜନେବଲ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ନଟ୍ ବେସ୍ଡ ଅନ୍ ରିଜିନ୍। He saw his younger son Ranju come into workroom and stare at the unfinished Ganesh. He marked, ସେ ଦେଖିଲା ତା ସାନ ପୁଅ ରଞ୍ଜୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯେଉଁ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ଗୃହ ବା ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ନିର୍ମାଣ କରୁଥିବା ଘରେ ପ୍ରବେଶ କଲା ଏବଂ ଷ୍ଟେୟାର ଆଟ୍ ଦ ଅନଫିନିଶ୍ଡ ଗଣେଶ, ଅସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଗଣେଶ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତିକୁ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ କଲା। There it is happened again. The boy mumbled bitterly and flinched at the pain he saw in the old man's eyes. There it happened again. It happened again. ପୁଣି ଥରେ ସେ କଥା ଭାବିଲା। The boy mumbled bitterly. Mumbled means not clearly speaking. That means ପିଲାଟି ଗୁଣଗୁଣେଇ କିଛି କହିଲା। And flinched at the pain he saw in the old man's eyes. Flinched means ଭୟରେ ପଛକୁ ଆସିବା। Flinched at the pain ସେ ଦେଖିଲା ବାପାଙ୍କ ଆଖିରେ ଯନ୍ତ୍ରଣାର ଦୃଶ୍ୟ। The image stood incomplete. That means image is not complete. To one side to the room facing the grilled window set into the northern wall. That means the image face is towards the window grill toward the northern wall. ମାନେ ଉତ୍ତର ପଟ ଆଡ଼କୁ ଯେଉଁ ଝରକା ଅଛି, ଝରକା ଆଡ଼କୁ ଅସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତିଟି ସିଆଡ଼କୁ ମୁହଁ କରିକି ଅଛି। And the crack had started appearing at several places. Cracks ସବୁ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଫାଟ ସବୁ ଆସିଲାଣି। କଞ୍ଚା ମାଟିର ମୂର୍ତ୍ତିରେ ସବୁ ଫାଟ ଆସିଲାଣି। Where the clay had dried, ଯେଉଁଟାରେ ସବୁ ମାଟି ବା କାଦୁଅ ଶୁଖିଗଲାଣି। The straw skeleton of the image showed its frog. Straw skeleton. Straw means stem of plants that have been dried. ଯେଉଁଟା ଆମେ ଛଣ କହୁ, ଛଣ। ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ଗଢ଼ିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଛଣର ଗୋଟେ ତାର ସ୍କେଲଟନ୍ ତିଆରି ହୁଏ, ଆମେ ଜାଣିଛେ। ଦ ଷ୍ଟ୍ର ସ୍କେଲଟନ୍ ଦ ଇମେଜ୍ ଶୋଡ୍ ଇଟ୍ସ ଫ୍ରଗ୍। ଫ୍ରଗ୍ ମାନେ ଏ ଯେଉଁ ଫ୍ରଗ୍ କଲେ କେନା ଦି ଭାଗ ହେଇଯିବା କଥା। ମୂର୍ତ୍ତିର ସବୁ କେନା ଦେଖାଗଲାଣି ମାଟି ଶୁଖିକି। ଥ୍ରୋ ଦ ମଡ୍ ହ୍ୱେୟାର ଦ ଟ୍ରଙ୍କ ହାଡ୍ ଟର୍ନ, ଯେଉଁଠାରୁ ଶୁଣ୍ଢ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ପଡ଼ୁଛି ସେଠାରେ ସବୁ ମାଟି ଦେଇକି ଯେଉଁ ଷ୍ଟ୍ର ସ୍କେଲଟନ୍ ଦେଖାଗଲାଣି। Quickly Ranju clear the dervish and surround the image. Ranju entered the room and cleared all the debris surround the image. Debris means wreckage ବା ଭଗ୍ନାବଶେଷ। अंजु ये काम तुरंत करदेला। He brought a fresh mass of clay. से सद्य कंचा कादुଅ पळाई आणला and placed it before his father to knead. से जो कंचा कादुଅ माटी की से कौन कला से मूर्ति रे चकुड़ी हाथ नीड में चकुटिबा माटी चकुटिला चकुटी की कार्य समापन कला। गोविंद लुक्ड क्लोजली एट हिज सन। यही कथा गोविंद अति निकटर पुओ को लक्ष्य करता। नो देयर इज नो ट्रेस ऑफ रिडिक्यूल एविडेंट ऑन द यंग फेस। से भावुला पुओ मत काम साहाଯ୍य करुच्ची ना थट्टा करुच्ची। से अनुसरण कर देखला जे रिडिक्यूल मान थट्टा थट्टा करवा रिडिक्यूल मकेरी रिडिक्यूल्स मकेरी यार थट्टा कर किसी कौन से आभास से पाइला ना। नो हारासमेंट्स ऑफ यूथ मियरली ए म्यूट एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ द मोमेंट। ये देखला पुआ को नीरव रे सब कथा को ग्रहण कर नौची एंड हिज ग्लांस टर्न टू द इमेज अगेन। देखला पुअर नजर बा दृष्टि एगेन मूर्ति उपरे अछि। And before he realized what he was doing, his hands were once again kneading the clay warmly. Before understanding what he was doing, से कौन करुची निजे बुझे पूर्वर तार हाथ गुड़िक पुणी थे से जो कादो चुटा माटी को चकुटी तार कार्य से आरंभ रखी एवं जत्नशीलतार सहित भांगी सुन्नटी को ठीक भाव में जोड़िला and making it into the right thickness as he began carefully filling the tear. जो फाट होता मूर्ति से ताकू जोड़े कार्य समाप्त कला केयरफुल जत्न सका सहित। गोविंद had nearly finished mending the broken trunk when Ranju interrupted him. जितेबाला गोविंद ये कार्य माटी चकुटिकी फाट सब बंद करतला मूर्ति की फिनिश करतला ये समय तार सान पुओ रंजू ताकू अटकेला इंटरप्ट बाधा देला अटकेला। फादर द ड्राफ्ट फ्रॉम द विंडो मे बी इट शुड बी क्लोज्ड। ड्राफ्ट मीन्स ए करेंट ऑफ एयर इन ए रूम माने पवन झलकाए पवन। से बापा अटके गले बापा ये जो मूर्ति झरका पाखे अच्छी ड्राफ्ट फ्रॉम द विंड इट मे बी शुड बी क्लोज्ड। तुम झरका बंद करदे बंद कले कौन हम ना आउ सुंड भांगार जो भय अच्छी आम कौन कौन भांगुची आ ना पूरा क्लीयर आम मे बी क्लोज्ड। द इमेज नाउ अपीयर्ड as clean and smooth as mannequin। से झरका बंद कला इमेज मूर्ति पूरा जमती विभिन्न प्रकार पोशाक पत्र दुकान जपरी सजे होता पोशाक बिक्री करने सजे होता मूर्ति देखा जाए सेमती सुस्पष्ट भाव देखागला मूर्ति। देयर इज नो ट्रेस ऑफ रिकरिंग डिजास्टर। Smooth as a mannequin. Mannequin means a dummy used to display clothes in a shop. A dummy used to display clothes in a shop. The possibility of a gust of wind breaking the image was too remote. The possibility of a gust of wind. Gust means sudden rush of wind. That means प्रबलर स्रोत गणेश मूर्ति को भांगार संभावना प्राय नथिला। द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ गस्ट ऑफ विंड ब्रेकिंग द इमेज वाज टू रिमोट। भांगार प्रश्न आउ उठु नथिला। गोविंद कथा भाविला पर द इमेज हैड बीन प्लेस्ड वेरी क्लोज टू द ओपन विंडो। ये मूर्ति को झरकार अति निकटतम मूर्ति को रखागला। बट इमेज हाड बीन प्लेस्ड वेरी क्लोज टू द ओपन विंडो ओनली ए मीटर अवे गोटे मीटर दूर रे ही हैड शिफ्टेड द इमेज हिमसेल्फ डेलीबरेटली उद्देश्य डेलीबरेटली मीन्स इंटेंशनली उद्देश्यमूलक भाव में से निजे मूर्ति को उद्देश्यमूलक भाव में घुंचे रखी इन ऑर्डर दैट मोर लाइट वुड बी अवेलेबल फॉर हिज वर्क अधिक आलोक ताको मिल तो कम करने सहज हम मूर्ति खूब शीघ्र सुखीज एंड द वेट क्ले वुड बी ड्राई सुनर मूर्ति शीघ्र सुखीज फेसिंग द ड्राफ्ट ऑफ विंड पवन ड्राफ्ट मीन्स द करंट ऑफ एयर बट दैट द विंड कुड बी डिस्ट्रॉयर ही हैड नेवर एंटर्ड इन माइंड ता मन भितर कथा प्रवेश कला नहीं जे पवन जे एक विनाशकारी हो पारे ही डिसाइडेड नॉट द विंड इट सीम्स इम्पॉसिबल ना से दृढ़ भाव कहला पवन किसी करें या असंभव।